So I get lots of messages from people asking about Flux. So here all I've done is made a border, start with gratitude, appreciation, get rid of the junk, and I just made a string, and all I did was put Flux on both sides of that string, and then I just started to drip some beautiful little baby Flux and some orbs, and the shading is what really brings this to life. So don't be scared to just at any point draw a string. You can do it with pencil or with pen, and then take whatever one of your favorite tangles is and do it right off of that string. And that's what I did here. So this was very calming. I did do it at 3 in the morning because I couldn't sleep, and now I'm very ready to go back to bed. So here is Flux on a string with some mini fluxes and orbs. Have a great day.